Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to bleed Nissan 370Z Coolant, step by step. Proper coolant bleeding is crucial for your engine's health, preventing overheating and ensuring optimal performance. First, gather your tools, including a spill-free funnel and about 9 quarts of fresh coolant. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin, and safely raise the front of your vehicle to help air escape more easily. Next, securely attach your spill-free funnel to the radiator opening. This tool is invaluable for preventing spills and maintaining a high coolant level. Fill the funnel with your chosen coolant, aiming for about 8 to 12 inches of fluid. Then, locate the coolant bleeder valve, often found near the firewall on the driver's side. You can either loosen this valve slightly or attach a clear hose to it for better air visibility. Now start your engine and immediately turn your climate control to full hot with the fan on a low setting. This ensures coolant circulates through the heater core. Let the engine idle and carefully watch the coolant in the funnel for air bubbles. As the engine warms up, the thermostat will open, allowing more air to escape. Continue this process until you see no more bubbles rising, which indicates most of the air has been bled. Once the bubbling stops, tighten the bleeder valve and carefully remove the funnel. Install your radiator cap securely and safely lower your vehicle. Check your coolant reservoir and top it off to the max line if necessary. The reservoir typically holds about 7/8 of a quart. Finally, take your Nissan 370Z for a 15-minute test drive, monitoring your temperature gauge. After the drive, recheck the reservoir level and adjust as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.